For anybody who's ever gotten in their 04 Impala and it won't start because it's in security mode, you have to wait 10 minutes. I've been sitting here for about 9 minutes now, and I have the key in the on position, and you'll see like the dash, it kind of like flashes. So see how the security goes 1, 2, 3. As soon as it stops doing that, then you should be able to start your car. I'm at about 9 minutes. It's so annoying. I love this car though. I've had it for 8 years, and this is really the only problem with it. Okay, well, we're still at about 9 minutes. Watch this not work. Won't that be funny? I'm sitting here fucking taping it. It won't work. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Come on. Oh boy. There. See how it stopped? Oh, see, now we should be able to turn the key to off. There. Okay, we're going to turn the key to off, and then it should start. Whee! Right on. Love my 04 Impala.